Hey guys, I told you that I was moving, and this is the house I saw. It is quite dirty, but I don't have the time to do all that cleaning, so I think I'm just going to bring in the things and clean later. It was the last minute decision, and I don't have time for that. This is the pantry. It's so dark you can't see anything. This is the kitchen. It's quite spacious. The sitting room is also very spacious. That's what I like about this house. And the bedroom is also spacious. I still don't have the lights on, but yeah, that's it. Just a room. There's nothing much to see in the toilet, in the washrooms, because it's just a sink, a bowl, and a shower. Nothing much to see here. But now at least I have a toilet in the house. I don't have to share. Good morning, guys. Hope you well. I'm also well. My voice is kind of hoarse because I've just woken up. It's around 7 in the morning. I had the alarm, but I was so tired from yesterday. I showed you just a little haul of the empty house. I didn't have to vlog as much because, okay, I didn't have the time to vlog as much because I got here quite late and I didn't do much. Actually, I'm just going to show you how I dumped everything because I tried guys. Because I started moving at around, what was it? Almost 7, yeah. 7 at night. And I didn't have much, but these chairs, bana, they took too much time, but I'm going to show you once everything is done. But for now, I'm just going to show you how the place looks before everything gets into place. Plus, I also don't have time because I need to leave the house. I need to go to work. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to arrange later in the day. Also, I don't have time because I'm supposed to be hosting on Friday and today's on Tuesday. And it takes a lot of time to even arrange things. So, let me show you how it looks. That's the door when you get into the room. Those ones need to move out of there. Now there's this seat. It needs to go maybe somewhere there. I need to push it a little bit. You can see my washing machine. Now I'll have an easier time cleaning because of the tap is closer. This table needs to move out of here. But for now I don't have space for wherever I need to put it. I need to clean it. You can't imagine that this house was cleaned yesterday. And you can see how it looks. Anyway, I slept on the couch because my bed is in chaos. And of course, there is that to sit up. And actually, the movers destroyed my seats. I feel bad about it, you can see. I don't know what I'm going to do about it. But yeah, I feel disappointed. But of course, I'm the one to blame for that because I didn't use professionals. That's the window, and my curtain is so dirty. I tried looking for a cleaner curtain. I didn't find it, so I just had to put something there to ensure the window is not open. I don't have time for that right now, but yeah, come along. Now we have a kitchen. Actually, you can see the chaos in this kitchen as well. At least I managed to cook. That way, I'm not hungry. I don't have a bulb. In my previous house, I had 2 bulbs. One I did put in the bedroom, and this one on the sitting. So I don't have a bulb. For here, I need to get a bulb. You can't even see. My fridge is there. It's still empty. And I showed you there is a pantry, or I don't know how I can call it, back there. I'm not going to show you there because it's quite dark. And in that kitchen, on that sink, I am waiting for a plumber because the pipe is leaking. Also, the pump there is not working. I also didn't have a shower head. That's why I did shower using the basin. I need to get a shower head. So yeah, you can see how that door looks. That's the only thing I didn't like about this house. Also, I didn't like the tiles, but I didn't have time for that. Now this is where all the mess is. I didn't even sleep. That's why I told you I'll not sleep. I did not sleep here because of this chaos. I didn't have time to like arrange anything. I was too tired for that. You can see how my bed looks like. When I was telling you, I cannot recommend anyone to get this portable, what do you call them? Wardrobes. Is for this reason. You can imagine I've only used it for like 2 months now, and it's completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. I cannot recommend anyone to get them, by the way. This is so disappointing. I lost like 3,500. I think it was around there plus the 200 for transport. We need to do better in terms of investments, in terms of long-term investments. This one, it's not gonna work. So in the future, I need to invest on a better wardrobe, because as you can see, this place does not come with an inbuilt wardrobe. So I need to think about that, but for now, I don't have a budget for that. I'm already broke as it is, and I'm also hosting, and it's December as well. We talked about this last quarter of the year being brutal, but where? It's not any fair. Now that is my shoe rack. I need to arrange the shoes there, but I don't have time for that. Now this is where all the mess went to. I don't know if you can see. Guys, once I look at this place, I'm just stressed. When Kinubia said about hiring professional movers, this is not what he said. This is not what he talked about. And I think the next time I'm moving, professional movers, please come for my money, because this one is not doing it. I don't have to go through this again. As you can see, I'm already disappointed about the seats. I have a bed over there. Doesn't have borrows. That's why it is not fixed yet. I need to get the screws to have it done. Also because I'm hosting and I might have people sleep over. And my budget is almost killing me. My budget is not doing it for me right now. I'm even worried how I'm going to survive for December, but I'll do it. I didn't have a plan of moving this fast, plus I didn't want to move to this area. But yeah, the area was kind of cheap for now, and that's what I did settle for. So I now understand why official Kinobia moves a lot, because sometimes you're forced to move just to be comfortable at the place you are and to make some life changes. But yeah, that was my situation. I had to move to accommodate some things. I had to move to accommodate some people, and it made me quite uncomfortable. Plus, I've always wanted to move, but to a different area. I don't know. I thought of moving. I talked about this before. I thought of moving along Thika Road or Kenol, but I'm still in Morang. I'll not tell you where exactly. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm thinking of jumping into the vlogmas for this year, so you might see more videos coming over and over. But for now, let's sort this mess and leave. The rest we are going to talk about once I'm back. I'm going to Kihero Technical today. There is a function coming up, so we need to bring our A game in terms of cleaning, and that's where I'm going to. Plus, the other house, I didn't have time to clean it, and I need to clean it like ASAP. I need to leave the house clean. Every time I move out of the house, I always leave the house that I'm moved out of clean. So yeah, I'm going to post this video today. It should go up at around 10. It's 7:46. I don't know if I'll manage all that, but it should go up at 10, God willing. So I'm going to jump into this vlogmas thing, and I hope that everything will be well. I hope I'll even manage to do it, because sometimes I forget to vlog. I forget I'm a vlogger sometimes. And as you can know, as you all know, YouTube is a work on its own. It's an office on its own. And yeah, that's basically it. Maybe I'll show you once I'm done with the house. But as of now, this is the situation we are in. Needs a lot of work. And a lot of work needs me. Anyway, let me shower, leave the house, take breakfast. I'm still going to take my supper. I'm still going to take, I don't know if you can see, but yeah. I'm going to take more matoke and what do you call it? Matoke and maini. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have for lunch, for breakfast. It's what I had last night. That was my first meal in this house. So see you later. Bye. Hi guys, this is the house I moved out of. I know there is too much echo because the room is empty. As you can see, this was my door. Immediately after, a socket. And this is where I used to put router, however you put it. Wait, these people broke my router. My clip. Eish. I'm going to take out the wire because I'm bringing it with me. And this used to be my sitting room. I'm taking with me that carpet. I'm just here to clean the room and leave it clean. Yes, this used to be my sitting, and this used to be my bedroom stroke kitchen. This is what I meant, stroke wardrobe. This is what I meant by a double house. Just two single houses. Yeah, and yeah, nothing much to see. But this place has been home for the last 1 year, and this plot used to be home for the last 4 years, since 2020 in May. So it's been quite a good home. It's been quite a good place. Plus the landlord was okay. The landlord was understanding. I think that's one of the reasons I kind of familiared here. It's just an excuse anyway. And I used to like the plot because it used to be kind of neat. These days I don't know what's going on. It's becoming quite dirty, but there's room for improvement anyway. So yeah, this used to be my house. And do you remember what I was telling you about with the mold? This used to be my problem. Other than that, I used to like this house a lot, but it's still quite small. And you know, we have to keep moving, we have to keep growing. And yeah, this is going to be it for this video. I'm going to upload it at 10. I hope you enjoy. There's a lot coming up. A lot is coming up, and I'm planning to like post daily. That is the essence of the vlogmas. And I hope I'll keep up. Sometimes it's quite tough, but I hope I'll manage. See you later. Let me post this video, and thanks for the subscription. If you've not already done so, kindly do so. If you're new here to this channel, welcome. I also have a problem. I don't know why I am scratching my skin so much. Can you see pimples? I've been scratching my skin a lot, especially. I don't understand what's going on. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Okay, I'm sweaty. I was just cleaning the room. I wanted to leave it clean. I think I mentioned that. So yeah, let me head out. I didn't take a shower yet. I just came to clean the room, go back to my place, shower, take breakfast, and leave for work. It's already 8:58, but I'm supposed to be there at 11. So I think that's why I was not in a hurry. So yeah, let me take out the wire, then disappear. See you later. Bye.